Welcome to our comparison of two powerful ASUS motherboards, the Prime B550-PLUS and the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS. Both motherboards are designed for AMD Ryzen processors, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will explore their key features, specifications, and what makes each one unique. Let's dive in. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features an AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd Gen Ryzen processors. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS utilizes the newer AM5 socket, which supports the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors. This difference in socket type is crucial for users looking to build a future-proof system. When it comes to memory, the Prime B550-PLUS supports up to 128 GB of DDR4 memory with speeds up to 2,133 MHz. On the other hand, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS supports the latest DDR5 memory technology, allowing for higher speeds and improved performance, making it ideal for gamers and power users who demand the best. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers basic connectivity options, including 1 gigabit LAN, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.2. In contrast, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS provides advanced connectivity features such as Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and USB 4 support, catering to modern users who require faster and more reliable connections. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS have their strengths and target different users. The Prime B550-PLUS is a great choice for budget-conscious users looking for solid performance, while the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS is designed for gamers and enthusiasts who want the latest technology and features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.